Riniki Ranglong YTF Central Vice President Azubsa Shak Hamya Angai Tabuk Thongoro Kalaijak Bekreng Bukur Srapjak Okoktuma Mane Bono Nainani Thangka Leader of Opposition Boromganang Animesh Debbarma Bini Logi Utongo IM Doli Riyang IM Bobronjon Riyang Riniki Ranglong Shak Hamya Angai Thongoro Kalaijak Nugui Shak Hami Basana Bagai Jesuk Mansak Subasu Khlainai Hini Shaka Leader of Opposition Boromganang Animesh Debbarma
Nuaganglo Chini Korupsa Warrior Riniki Ranglong Haje Dalai Kotor Saya Damar Manjak Kabangma problems, tuberculosis, liver function, Kabangma multiple problems Bichara Plaza very emotional, also vulnerable. 6 months second Rinika Taja Susto he served the party with all his best effort. Thangwi one Furugo bin Bumizim Noagangno blockade killing very severe. Then we have come to know that Rinika is not doing well. He is on bed. Last 6 days he has not eaten anything. But good thing is that Dormanogodi, Korupsa district hospital with doctor, saline pe medicine start nahi hai. God's grace holds that Rinika will be up again. And our prayers and best wishes always will be there with him and with the family. Many Umano Malaikasan, our Honorable EM Bhavaranjan and Dolly is here. I am here. Chini Sub-Zonal Chairman, Thangwi Vidhan Sabha Kendra, Chini Vidhan Sabha Nirvachani, Prarthi Joycho Alam is also here. Naiwikha. But we are not doctors. We can only pray for him. We can support him. Chini Zamanti, we have handed over small help from our side. And if required, we will help more. I am sure requirement will be there. So, Manke Barbar Bono Naine. When we pray to the Almighty that we should get well soon and up once again and then Dohanla is how it was.